guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to do something completely different. I hope you like it. We are going to be making banana frittatas. Banana fritters. It's my first time making it with this recipe, so we'll see how it goes. Anyway, let me know down below if you like this type of video and if you'd like more. Okay, so to make this, it takes 15 minutes apparently. So all you want to do is sift and measure 125 grams of flour and sift the flour. And so a teaspoon of baking powder. Don't know why I like to sift it. Okay. Then 50 grams of sugar. Oh, for Pete's sake, what's going on? Okay. 50 grams of sugar. Mix it and then stir it and then add a well. Okay. So basically all we're doing is making the batter for the fritters. Okay, so I've made a well. Oh, I don't think it really. These up. It doesn't say how thick to slice them. It just says sliced. So I'm sort of just guessing about how thick or thin to do them. Also, I feel like I'm doing this wrong. But as I said, new recipe, we'll find out how it goes. Okay, so now we're going to pop them in. It says dip them in the batter. So I'm not dipping, I'm coating it like that. Let's see how it goes. Pan has been on high for a few minutes, heating up the oil. Let's try this then. Well, this is how they come out, and then you just sprinkle some sugar. It did say icing sugar, but I've just realized I don't have any, so I'm just using a plain granulated sugar. I'm just going to sprinkle some cinnamon on it as well. Oh, that's quite a bit of cinnamon. Not terrible first attempt, but not great either. But, I mean, it doesn't look too bad. I mean, the burnt ones look pretty bad, so I'm just going to cover them with the good ones. There we go. Okay. Not bad for a first attempt. Not wowed. But I'm not disgusted either. Quite good. I'll leave the recipe down below if you want to try and make these yourselves at home. Let me know if you do. Or let me know if you can make them better. Maybe a floor of more oil. I don't know. Leave a comment down below. Until next time. Bye guys.